Here is the result of my latest art project. Stick around for the rest of the video if you want to see how I created this look. Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Veronique, and on this channel, we treat our hair like it's an art project. Starting from left to right, we have this lovely Periwinkle Blue, this bright Bleach Blonde, this navy blue here. I added this ocean blue, this royal blue shade. I have this slate blue, which is like a grayish, bluish color. This is really the denim color I'm going for. So we're creating multiple shades of this denim blue, essentially. I have this white, and I have this gray shade. So in total, I used 8 different colors for this hair look. Let's have a great hair day. The first colors I'm going to blend are the white, the royal blue, and the gray color. Mainly I'm using the white and the gray for that highlight, low light effect that I love. And obviously I'm using the blue because we're creating a lovely denim blue look. So let's see what we come up with. This is the result of that color combination. The second combination I'm going to create will consist of the ocean blue, the white, and the slate blue color. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out until I get a nice seamless flow like this. This color is really, really pretty. Now I'm going to take the royal blue, the navy blue, the ocean blue, the gray, and the white, and I'm going to blend all of these colors together. For this art project, I used multiple shades of blue because I felt that meshing different shades of essentially the same color is kind of foolproof, and also I believe that I would create a unique final aesthetic. Don't forget to brush out your blends with a denim brush to create more of a seamless flow. Finally, I'm going to combine the slate blue, the periwinkle blue, and the bleach blonde color to create something new. Since all of these colors are so light, they really are melting into each other, and I feel like this came out very, very icy blue. This is super cute. Here are the 8 blends that I created using the 8 colors I described at the beginning of this video. The lighter blends that I created will be going at the base of my hair as per usual. This one here I blended with a little bit of pink You can kind of tell there. So that's the only color that I didn't really show on camera. It was just a little bit of a dusty rose. So the color will be transitioning from a washed out denim to a very deep denim blue jeans color. Here are some close-up images so you can really see the depth of the color transition. I'm going to be slipping some of these silver holographic strands into the braids at the top of my hair. Okay, let's get my hair together, girl. This is the final result. At the top, we have like the darker colors, and then I kind of, you know, got lighter and lighter as the hair progressed to the base. I'm super in love with this look as well. You can really see the pretty silver metallics popping out here and there. This really came out so lovely. We're gonna be going lavender for spring, so stay tuned for that. If you could please give this look a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. I believe this art project to be a complete success. I told my hairdresser to make the braids a little bit smaller than they usually are, so the depth and the way in which the colors build on each other is not quite as clear as it is in the other looks, which I completely regret, but it's okay. If you could help me come up with a name for this look, I'd really appreciate it. Right now I'm thinking Ice Queen or Denim Diva. Denim Diva's really cute. Yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think it's giving. And yeah. So here's a close-up on the braids. You can kind of see the dusty rose color shining through at the very base, and you can see how the hair makes its way up on the color spectrum. Like, it just keeps getting more vibrant, deeper, darker. So if you can please let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm sorry, I've been MIA for a while. I started a new job. There's really no time to film. Editing takes a while, so thank you for staying tuned and, you know, being present for my art projects. I really appreciate that. So now I'm just gonna turn around and I'm gonna show you my hair layer by layer so you can really see how the colors build on each other, as I always do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.